Today I'm going to show you Google's insane new AI update that just dropped. This thing will save you hours every week. No more taking notes in meetings ever again. Your AI assistant literally sits in meetings and does all the work for you. This is huge and it's completely free if you have Google Workspace. Let me show you exactly how this works. Google just changed the game completely. They added AI note-taking to Google Meet, and this is going to transform how you run your business. I'm talking about never having to juggle notes, slides, and chat messages ever again during your meetings. Picture this. You're running a client call. You're trying to present your slides, answer questions in the chat, watch people's faces, and somehow take notes about everything being said. It's impossible to do all of that well. You either miss important stuff, or you can't focus on actually leading the meeting. That's exactly why Google built this feature. They saw that meeting hosts were drowning, trying to do everything at once. So now Gemini handles the notes automatically while you focus on what actually matters: presenting, engaging, and making decisions. This thing uses Gemini AI to automatically capture everything that happens in your meetings. Key decisions, action items, who said what, when they said it. It's like having a personal assistant in every single meeting you attend. Let me break down exactly what this does and why you need to start using it today. When you turn on Take Notes for Me, Gemini AI starts listening to your entire meeting. It's not just recording audio. It's actually understanding what's being said and pulling out the important stuff. So while you're focused on the conversation, the AI is building a complete summary of your meeting in real time. The moment your meeting ends, the AI automatically saves a complete summary to the meeting organizer's Google Drive. Not just random notes, a structured document that shows you exactly what was discussed, what decisions were made, and what everyone needs to do next. And here's the crazy part. It even creates a section called Suggested Next Steps, where it automatically identifies all the action items and follow-ups from your meeting. But wait, there's more. What's really cool is how this works during the actual meeting. You're looking at your regular Google Meet screen with all the participants, but there's this live notes panel on the side. You can literally watch the AI capturing key points as people speak. It shows real-time updates, like updated 4 minutes ago. So you know it's actively listening and processing everything. If someone joins late, they can immediately see the summary so far and get caught up on what they missed. No more awkward can someone fill me in moments. The AI has already done that work for them. And here's something most people don't realize. Everyone in the meeting can see the blue pencil icon and click on it to view the notes being taken. But who can start or stop the note-taking depends on your meeting settings. By default, the meeting organizer and internal participants can control it. However, if host management is enabled, only the meeting organizer, hosts, and co-hosts can start or stop notes, so you have control over the documentation while keeping everything visible to participants. And if you're taking notes and have transcription turned on, the AI notes will actually link to specific parts of the meeting transcript. So if someone mentioned an important detail, you can click right to that exact moment in the written transcript to see the exact words. In Google's demo, you can see clickable timestamps throughout the notes that jump directly to those points in the transcript. No more searching through pages of transcript text, trying to find one comment. Now, here's what really blew my mind. This isn't just for English anymore. They just added support for French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, and Spanish. So if you're running a global business or working with international teams, this thing can handle multiple languages, though it can only do one language per meeting right now. Now, I need to be totally honest about the requirements. This feature is available with Google Workspace Business Standard, Business Plus, Enterprise Standard, and Enterprise Plus plans. So you do need a paid Google Workspace subscription. Also, your admin needs to enable this feature for your organization. Let me show you exactly what this looks like. First, if you're an admin, you just go to your Google Workspace settings, find Gemini settings, and check the box that says, "Let people use Google AI note-taking and meetings." That's it for setup. Now, let me tell you why this is such a big deal for business owners and entrepreneurs. Think about the last important meeting you ran. You were probably trying to present your ideas, manage the discussion, watch people's body language, answer questions, and somehow capture all the important points at the same time. It's mentally exhausting. This AI feature completely eliminates that problem. You can give 100% of your attention to leading the meeting because you know every single detail is being captured automatically. No more mental juggling act. No more choosing between being present and documenting everything. Plus, think about accountability. When the AI automatically captures action items and assigns them to specific people, there's no more confusion about who's supposed to do what. Everyone gets a clear list of their responsibilities. This alone will probably save you hours of follow-up emails and check-ins. And here's something most people don't think about. These AI-generated notes become a searchable database of all your meetings. So 6 months from now, when you're trying to remember what was decided in that strategy meeting, you can just search your Google Drive and find exactly what you need. The accuracy on this thing is honestly impressive. It's not perfect, but it's way better than most people's handwritten notes. The AI understands context, so it knows the difference between important decisions and casual conversation. It focuses on the stuff that actually matters. One thing that's really cool is how this integrates with the rest of Google Workspace. The meeting notes automatically show up in your Google Drive. They're attached to your calendar events, and they're searchable across your entire workspace. This means you can actually use Google Search to find specific meetings or decisions from months ago. Just type in a few keywords, and boom, you'll find exactly what you're looking for. This turns your meeting history into a powerful business intelligence tool. The suggested next steps feature is particularly powerful for project management. Instead of having action items scattered across different apps and platforms, everything is captured in one place. You can even assign tasks directly from the Google Doc. If you're using Google's task management features for agencies and service businesses, this is especially valuable because you can share these detailed meeting notes with clients. It shows professionalism and ensures everyone is on the same page about project scope and deliverables. No more he said, she said situations. What I love about this Google Meet feature is that it's not trying to replace human intelligence. It's augmenting it. You're still the one making decisions and having conversations. Google is rolling out AI features across all their business tools. We're seeing AI in Gmail, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and now Google Meet. The companies that learn to use these tools effectively are going to dominate their markets. Think about it. While your competitors are still taking notes by hand and missing important details in meetings, you'll have perfect documentation of every conversation. While they're spending hours writing follow-up emails to clarify what was discussed, you'll have clear action items automatically generated. This isn't just about saving time. It's about gaining a competitive advantage. Better documentation leads to better execution. Better execution leads to better results. Better results lead to more money in your pocket. And the best part is that this technology is only going to get better. Google is constantly improving Gemini AI. The note-taking will become more accurate, the summaries will become more detailed, and the integrations will become more powerful. If you're not using AI tools like this in your business, you're already falling behind. The business owners who embrace these technologies now are going to be the ones who dominate their industries in the next few years. Here's what I want you to do right now. If you have a Google Workspace business plan, go enable this feature today. Start using it in your next meeting. See how much mental energy it frees up. Notice how much more engaged you can be when you're not worried about taking notes. If you don't have Google Workspace yet, this might be the perfect reason to upgrade. The productivity gains alone will pay for the subscription cost within the first month. But remember, tools are only as good as the person using them. You need to understand how to implement AI effectively in your business. You need to know which tools to use, when to use them, and how to get the maximum return on investment. The accuracy improvements we're seeing with AI are incredible. Just last year, AI note-taking was pretty basic. Now we have tools that can understand context, identify speakers, and even suggest next steps. The progress is happening so fast that if you're not staying on top of it, you'll miss opportunities. And here's something interesting. This Google Meet feature is just one example of how AI is becoming invisible infrastructure. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. You just click a button and it works. That's the future of AI in business. Powerful tools that anyone can use without technical knowledge. The companies that understand this trend and adopt these tools early are going to have massive advantages. Better customer service, more efficient operations, and higher profit margins. While their competitors are still doing everything manually, they'll be leveraging AI to scale. This is why I'm so excited about what's happening right now in the AI space. We're not just talking about future possibilities anymore. These tools are here, they work, and they're changing how business gets done. The bottom line is this: Google just handed you an AI assistant for all your meetings. If you're already on a Google Workspace business plan, it's included. It's incredibly easy to use, and it can save you hours every single week. There's literally no reason not to start using this today. But this is just one tool. There are hundreds of AI tools that can transform different parts of your business. Email marketing, content creation, customer service, data analysis, project management. The opportunities are endless. The business owners who learn to use these tools effectively are going to build incredible competitive advantages. They'll be more efficient, more profitable, and more scalable than their competitors. That's exactly why I created the AI Profit Boardroom. This is the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We have over 1,000 entrepreneurs who are already using these tools to transform their businesses. Want to make more money with AI? Welcome to the free AI Money Lab with Julie and Goldie. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents, get 1,000 plus free N8N workflows, 200 plus ChatGPT prompts. What you'll also get is a free AI community, free AI course, and proven AI case studies. And let me know if you're going to try this Google Meet feature. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI updates that can transform your business. Remember, while other business owners are still taking notes by hand, you'll be using AI to capture everything automatically. That's the kind of competitive advantage that separates successful entrepreneurs from everyone else. The future of business is AI powered, and it's happening right now.